Welcome. This is an intro to Google Drive for accessing your files over the internet. You can also install a Google Drive app, which will download those files that you have stored in the cloud from your Google Drive to your desktop. So it's very simple. All you need is a Gmail account. If you don't have one, it's pretty easy to set up. This tutorial will not cover that. But if you are logged into your Gmail account and you're on the Google homepage, you will see this set up here. And this grid of 9 squares, if you click on that and choose Drive, it will take you to your Google Drive interface where you can create documents, etc. But in addition to that, you can add files that you already have on your machine. So for instance, at home, I have these word processing exercises that I created for my students. I want to be able to access them at school. So I just take this folder and drag it to my Google Drive window, and it starts to upload them. Now, I'm going to let that cook while we go to the next step. In addition to having these files in the cloud, you can also have any files that are in your Google Drive downloaded to your computer so you have them locally available to you. So if you click on the cog here and choose Download Drive, it will install the app, and now I choose Mac and PC. It will install the app which will sync this Gmail account and the contents of its drive in the cloud with your desktop. So it doesn't take long to download. It is done. And now I'm going to open it, run it, and it's syncing up with this particular Gmail account and installing the app. Okay, so that is done. To get back to Drive, one way to do it from this window here is click on Using Drive, and it'll give you a little tutorial about how to use it. It shows you that you get 15 gigabytes of free storage, which is about 13 more than Dropbox uses, and then you can just simply click to Google Drive. The other way to do it is just to go back to google.com and then click on this grid here and choose Drive. Okay, so the way you can access your files on your local hard drive, actually there's a couple ways, but one way is once you've installed Drive, there will be this Drive icon down here by the time with your little set of little icons in the taskbar, and you can very simply click on that and you will see that all the files that you had loaded up to your Google Drive are now on your local machine, and you can choose this Open Google Drive folder and see that they're all there. It's a beautiful thing. The other way to access them is it will install a Google Drive shortcut on your desktop. It's just the same thing. And then one other way to access them is if you open up your computer icon, you'll see the Google Drive icon down here in your list of favorites, and you can open up that. It's all the same folder, it's just different ways of getting there. Just a demo, also that you can use different types of files. Here I have a folder with some MP3s in it, and I'm going to drag that, and that's going to upload. So I'm taking files that are on my computer now, putting them in the cloud, and then when I get to school, once I install the app, those files will also be on my computer at school. That's about it. Google Drive, 15 gigabytes of storage as opposed to 2 gigabytes with Dropbox, and you already have this if you have a Gmail account. So it's pretty darn cool. Alrighty guys, talk to you later. We'll learn how to share files next time.